Congratulations on hitting the end of this chapter. This chapter was about C++ 20 modules, and we tried to cover as much as we could in terms of concepts and how you compile the code to actually see the results of your hard work. When well supported, modules have the potential to improve your compilation speeds. So it's not really there yet because compiler support is not full. The tools that we have access to currently don't fully understand C++ 20 modules, so we still have a way to go, but I think this is a good time to try and understand the concepts, try to use them, and see what works for you and what doesn't. The tooling is still weak, as I have just said, and Microsoft Visual Studio is the best when it comes to trying modules, and it gives you a well-rounded experience so far, and I am recording this video in October 2023. So keep this in mind. If you are watching this in the future, things may have changed a bit. The problem with Microsoft Visual Studio is that it only works on Windows though. So if you want to develop for Linux or Mac, then you have no choice but to look for other options. And the best option in terms of build system is CMake. CMake is a cross-platform build system generation tool, and it is working hard to support modules. I think at this point, in October 2023, you can use modules with Clang 16 and MSVC, and you should really check it out if you want to use modules across different operating systems for your C++ projects. Now, the other question I get a lot is, should you start using modules in your code? Modules are a good thing. They are obviously the future. You will see module code as we go in the future. If you can, try them out, see how they help you out. It is a decision you will have to make on your own. I can't obviously tell you because you know the specifics for your needs. My job here is to make you aware of the possibilities. Thank you again for going with me through this chapter. It was really fun to make. Modules have the potential to really improve the way we do things. There are even people that say that they like the way we export things without having to implicitly export everything like we did in headers. Some people say they like them because they feel modern. I think other languages like Python and JavaScript already support modules, so it is really a way to modernize the way we do things with C++, while also improving our compilation speeds. You should really try this out if you can. In my toy projects, I try to use modules if I can. That's why I am able to find things that work and don't work on which compiler. And I am addicted to trying things on different compilers. That's a thing I do. If you want, you can do that. It is a good way to learn. This is all I had to share in this video. I hope you found it useful. I am stopping here and I will see you next time.